All right guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about another mod, and that is my hood lift gate. So this is California Pony Cars 2005 to 2010 Mustang hood lift hydro-Carbonfiber. So 05 to 2010, and that is this lift here. By having this, it replaces your center little metal rod, which is so dumb and annoying when you're working on stuff. So carbon fiber, the only carbon fiber is right up in here and right down here, the brackets. The actual lift itself is not carbon fiber, but it's awesome, works good. Had it on for about 6 months now, never any issue. So we can put it down pretty low. You know, it holds pretty good going down pretty low. But I love it overall. Gets a 10 out of 10. I'll try and put a link in the video description where you can get this one. It is a little more expensive, so I will add some cheaper ones in my video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more mods.